If you have been feeling overwhelmed, tired, or stretched thin, you are not alone. Today we are talking about gentle herbs that support your stress response. These plants are known as adaptogens. Welcome back to Path of Herbs. I am glad you are here because stress builds quietly and easily. Adaptogenic herbs offer steady support without pushing or overstimulating. Before we begin, remember this is for education only and not medical advice. Always consult a medical professional. Adaptogens are plants that help your body return to balance during stressful moments. They gently guide your stress hormone rhythm toward a calmer pattern. They support the nervous system in a steady and grounded way. Stress affects energy, mood, sleep, and clarity. When stress continues for too long, the body begins to lose resilience. Adaptogens help rebuild that resilience over time. Herb 1. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a calm and grounding herb for people who feel tense or overwhelmed. It may support a smoother stress hormone rhythm and a more balanced mood. It is gentle and works well for beginners. Herb 2. Rhodiola. Rhodiola supports energy, focus, and emotional balance during stressful days. It is helpful when stress makes you tired but unable to fully relax. This herb feels light, uplifting, and steady. Herb 3. Holy basil. Holy basil, also called tulsi, has a soft, calming quality. It supports emotional ease and clearer thinking under stress. It is one of the easiest herbs to use because it works beautifully as a daily tea. Herb 4. Schizandra. Schizandra. Berries support long-term resilience. They help with clarity, endurance, and emotional steadiness. This herb is especially helpful when stress feels constant. Herb 5. Reishi. Reishi is known as the mushroom of calm. It supports deeper rest and a more relaxed nervous system. Reishi is an excellent evening herb for people who hold tension in their body. You can take adaptogens as teas, capsules, or tinctures. Choose the form that feels easiest for you to stay consistent with. Consistency is more important than strength. Start with one herb and give it a few weeks before you decide how it feels. If you want to combine herbs, pair one calming herb with one uplifting herb. Ashwagandha with rhodiola is a balanced combination. These herbs are generally well tolerated, but every body is different. If you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication, talk with a healthcare professional first. If an herb feels too calming or too stimulating, adjust your timing or your amount to reduce stimulation. Stress may be part of life, but feeling burned out does not have to be. Adaptogenic herbs offer steady support for energy, mood, and emotional balance. A small daily practice can make a meaningful difference over time. If you enjoyed this guide and want more herbal support videos, subscribe to Path of Herbs and join us. We share simple and natural ways to feel more grounded and balanced. Thanks for watching.